better. It's subtle, but I see it.
Be faster if I told you.
You even trying?
Say it with me. Ka-chow!
You know this is the big time, right?
Now this is more like it.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff.
Wow! Look at you! Whoa! What happened there? Hey, not bad.
Whoa! I don't try that.
Do you mean?
Now don't give up, even though you probably should.
Ow!
You call that racing? What is that doing there?
It seems my numbers were wrong about it.
Nothing like getting your tires dirty. Is that really all you got?
I now have a 5% higher chance of winning.
Ooh, somebody sprayed you with the ugly thing.
Hey, don't feel bad when I win. I'm a professional.
Use the negative to push through to the positive.
Not bad. See better.
Woo! Back on the ground. Safe and sound.
Not bad.
I'm like a bird, beautiful color.
All right, all right. Nobody likes a show off.
Hey, my new paint job's the least of your problems, man. Oh!
Never thought I'd see that during a race. Oh, yeah! Not my best move. Whoa! Let's misjudge that one.
Nice driving. But I've seen that.
Final lap. Here we go.
Maintaining speed. Gotta take every shot I get.
Keep at it, buddy. Someday you'll almost be as good as me. Oh, no! Trying to lose, huh? Good effort. You just keep trying your best. Learned this from my buddy Mater. He's the backwards driver. Well, now I've seen everything.
Somebody's definitely going the wrong way here.
Better than that. Hey, not bad.
Hey, you gotta like that grip.
Just like the dirt roads back home.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Hey there, folks. We're coming to you live from Fireball Beach for what I promise is going to be a humdinger of an evening for all you racing fans. All right, get ready, because the track is loaded with weapons, which is exactly as it should be for a battle race at this level.
Someone's gonna get rid of fried.
I
Well, you certainly have.
Now don't give up! Even though you probably should. Wow! Look at you go! Oh yeah.
You gotta love that rapid fire.
You'll remember this is the day I beat you.
Hey, are you sightseeing or racing? Can't quite tell. Now we're talking.
No way they could have seen that coming.
What's that here then?
Oh no! Rockets!
I'll be waiting.
A rapid fire is fire.
Not bad, but I've seen better. Last lap. Come on, Lightning. Oh yeah, just what I needed.
Looks like somebody used a weapon on the bike.
I could do this all
Hey
day.
now, the magnetic mine in play.
Keep at it, buddy. Someday you'll almost be as good as me. Sweet!
Hip, 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 hip.